Hi there. Welcome to LSB Feasters Radio Channel, where we keep great radio from the past alive. You may have done road trips and listened to all the radio stations along the way. I used to do that all the time. I took my boom box with me and would just record everything, which is why I have so many of these tapes to showcase on this channel. I'm not the only one who did this. Today's recording comes from Greg Barman. He did a lot of road trips back in the 70s, actually did a road trip from Northern California all the way to Arizona and just recorded all of the radio stations along the way. So I'm sharing some of that with you today. For this part of the trip, he was coming into the Pheonix area and recorded some of their great radio stations like KOY, KUPD, KOOL-FM, KRIZ, and more. So let's check it out, some of the stations of Pheonix from 1977.
Radio 93, KJOK,
This is Joe Adams from the KOY News Center.
Sounding good. You'll never find another love like mine from KOY. Good afternoon. Saturday, Charles Kid Carson. Now it's 5:11. And from the KOY Weather Center, we're looking at 109 degrees in the middle of downtown Phoenix.
55 Phoenix,
KOY is Arizona's full-service radio station with the Carpenters, and all you get from love is a love song. Those are the Carpenters, and all you get from love is a love song from KOY. 5:19 now, and a hearty congratulations to the father and son team in Warren, Ohio, of James E. and James F. Kiratan, who have invented an electric nose hair remover. A little gizmo you stick in your nose, and it's guaranteed not to pull. It will cut nice and cleanly. You stick it in your nose, and you plug it in, and hope the thing works right. Celebrate July 4th at the Broadway.
AM 1060, FM 98.
Stereo Cupid, KUPD.
Stereo Cupid, KUPD, local girl Stevie Nicks, Fleetwood Mac from the album Rumors and Dreams. 226 with Don Christy. Stereo Cupid's got tickets. One for you and one for a close friend. Go see Alice Cooper in concert July 7th at Coliseum. I'll get those to you within minutes on KUPD.
Well, I'll tell you, sounds like the worst case of sibling rivalry I've ever heard of. Apparently his old man didn't use the belt on him enough. 2:33 on a Sunday afternoon, the music of Andrew Gold and the Lonely Boy from KOOL-FM. And this is Manfred Mann for you now.
There she was.
KRIZ, celebrating Alice Cooper Day, July 7th, 1977, with lots of Alice Cooper albums and Alice Cooper lace and whiskey T-shirts to give away all this afternoon. All you have to do to be an instant winner is call me up at 260-6777. KRIZ, that young lady is coming back to town for another super concert at Celebrity Theater. Natalie Cole, I've got love on my mind. I'm Charlie Fox. It's 12:08.
United.
KRIZ,
You let a fool of me. 12:30 KRIZ, KRIZ, Phoenix. Here it is, a couple minutes past 2 o'clock, and I'm Charlie Fox.
It's 12 noon. You're listening to KDKB AM Mesa, KDKB FM Mesa Phoenix. Dwight with you on a Sunday afternoon. Steve Miller.
Olympia, Washington.
KDKB T-shirts, we have 5 styles: Crazy Dog, Crazy Bunny, Crazy Turtle, Crazy Carrot, or the original Howdy design. We have 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and gorilla. It costs us $5. If you buy 5 or more, the price goes down to $4.50 each. And here's how you go about getting them. Send your check or money order with your name and address to KDKB.
This is KEOS, Flagstaff.
6:30 in the city.
It's 7 o'clock.
The News Authority. KOB, Albuquerque. NBC Radio News, I'm Steve Porter.
77 KOB.